Hello everyone. I have this necklace that I made. It's pretty. But right now I'm going to show you how to make a matching earrings. So next time I'm going to make a video on how to make the necklace. But right now I'm going to show you how to make a matching earrings. So our materials, I have 2 colors of 11O seed beads and earring hooks. My beading needle number 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. I pick up my 4 iris blue, and I will just leave a short tail, then pass through first, and pick up 1. I'm adding 1 in between, and pick up another 1. The next I'm going to pick up 5. Then pass through first, then pick up 1, pass through 3, then pick up another 1, then I'm going to pick up another 5, then pass through first, pick up 1, pass through 3, then pick up another 1, so I'm going to continue adding my beads until I have 11 diamond shapes. So right now I have 3, so 8 more. So I completed 11, and I'm going to connect. So my thread is coming out. Then I'll pick up 2, then pick up another 2, then pass through first, then pick up 1, pick up one, then pick up one, then now I have a 12 diamond shape. So my thread is coming out. Then I'll pick up one turquoise, then pass through, pick up another one, then pick up one, then pick up one turquoise, pick up another one, then my thread is coming out from turquoise. I'm going to pick up 3 blue iris, and then skip one turquoise and pass to the next, then pick up another 3 blue, skip one, pass to the next, pick up another 3, skip one, pass to the next, pick up 3, skip one, pass to the next, pick up another 3, skip one, pass to the next, pick up 3, skip one, pass to the next, exiting to turquoise, going to pass through 2 blue, then pick up 1 turquoise, pass to the next middle blue, then pick up 1 turquoise, and pick up one, and pick up another one, pick up one, thread coming out. Then I'll pick up four for turquoise color. Pick up one, then pick up five, hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So I'm going to just pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread, and I will also do the same here. So it's done. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.